So, dito po nasusubok yung tatag ng pagiging. Okay, so pahinga muna tayo guys sa ating art vlog. This time po ay gagawa tayo ng tutorial video para makatulong naman tayo. So in this pandemic po na online learning tayo, and students learn by themselves. So dito po nasusubok yung tatag ng pagiging estudyante. Ganon. So, meron po kayong mga assignments, performance tasks, or mga projects na need ninyong gawin at ipasa. At hindi nyo po ito magagawa if wala po tayong mga devices. How to use your smartphones to work with your projects para sa inyong mga outputs and performance tasks. So, if you want to know, patapusin ninyo ang video ito para may matutunan ka. So, in this video, ay mag-i-introduce ako ng isang app that you can use to work with your projects and outputs. Alright, so without further ado, let's go guys and let's learn. Alright, so ang app na to ay ang Office. Okay, na-download ko siya from Play Store. Okay, so i-open natin siya. Alright. So, it will bring us to home ng application. And then, meron ditong plus sign. Okay, meron ditong home at saka actions. Alright, so ito yung home. And then, so in this application, you can make or you can work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and forms. You can also add note, scan, or recordings. Okay, so let's start from Word. So I will just introduce it lang muna, guys. So in our next video, iisa-isahin natin, gagawa tayo ng sample. In Microsoft Word, you can scan text, dictate. Okay, so you can also add blank document, and create from template. Okay, so while in Excel naman, you can scan table, you can create a blank workbook, and create from template. So in PowerPoint presentation, available din sa app na to that pwede kang maglagay ng pictures. Of course, syempre in presentation, mas maganda yung may pictures. You can also create outline for preview. You can also add blank presentation, and create from template. So in forms naman, nagpa-prompt ito na to create a form, sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. So it requires you to sign in with your email account. So in actions, so dito natin makikita ang do more with PDFs like assign a PDF or you can add your signature to a PDF. Very helpful din po ito. Next is to scan to PDF, pictures to PDF, document to PDF. You will convert a document into PDF. PDF to Word. Convert to PDF to a Word document or vice versa. Next one is to convert text in images. Extract text from your picture to convert it. Okay. Next one is image to table. So extract a table from your picture into Excel. So very helpful, diba? Next one is scan QR code. Rehearse with coach or preview. This one, practice your presentations with presentation coach. Next is create a form. You can create surveys and other forms. So it is also available to transfer files, share files between your phone and computer, and share nearby devices. Alright, so you can share your files with your connected devices. Okay. Alright, so meron din ditong filter. So we have the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, media notes, forms, voice captures, and live components. Okay, so mag-open tayo ng folder. So we can open a folder from this device, browse natin from Google Drive, SD card, and more, or add a place. Okay, so on our next video, so we are going to create a project from a Word document. So gagawa tayo ng Word document. Alright guys, so if you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell for more videos. So guys, see you again next time.